My name is Dustin Giffin. I own Giffin Interior and Fixture. We're a custom commercial architectural woodwork company out of Pittsburgh, PA. The biggest challenge we had that we needed software to really support was scheduling issues. We had no visibility on when projects were due, when work orders were due. We left a lot of money on the table by not having that information. INNERGY has been probably the single biggest impactor of a whole bunch of things in our business. So, productivity standpoint, INNERGY has allowed us to be more productive because the information is streamlined from estimating all the way through install. Estimating has to learn it once, and ideally, that information is there the entire time. The feature that I use the most is absolutely the Bottleneck Report. Every morning it tells me where we're at today, it tells me what's changed since yesterday with a little bit of analysis, and it tells me where we're going to be in the next 6 to 12 months. That is the most valuable part of the system for running the business on a day-to-day basis. The beauty of INNERGY is that every month, there's a new update coming. The last Thursday of every month, be sure there's going to be a release, and there's going to be release notes, and you're going to know exactly what's there. The consistency of improvement has been remarkable over the years. It is not a software that is, one, going to be happy where it's at, and two, it's never going to not stop improving. As we're trying to grow as an organization, what INNERGY allows us to do is to understand, one, okay, let's say it's a specialty finish or a specialty stone that we purchase from somebody else right now. If we wanted to do the analysis to know, would it make sense for us to bring that in-house? INNERGY gives us the data and the ability to do that analysis. INNERGY allows us to really dig deep and, is this going to be a good decision or not? Which should allow us to grow in new opportunities as well.